little. You want to do that one more time?
On the road.
Yeah, our radio's down. This is our human jukebox here.
400 titles.
452
All
songs.
country.
And every one of them was produced before 1932.
That's right.
Anyways, update, we're back on the road. We only got about run over twice, which is pretty good.
We did see a buck cross the road though.
Yeah, we did see a big old buck cross the road. We thought it was literally, it was close enough to where if it would have got hit, we'd have had guts on us from the buck.
And we'd had deer meat tonight too.
And we'd have had dinner, so that's a plus
we
too.
could have cooked it on our wheel back there.
Yeah, the wheel was pretty warm, for sure.
He was so razor sharp we could cut him up.
Yeah.
So we have our one spare on, so there's that. We're in the middle of nowhere, Tennessee.
And there's that.
Hoping we get to a Tractor Supply before they close.
And there's that.
Find an odd ball wheel pattern to fair.
And there's that.
We only have like 4 hours to go.
Anyways, we just want to bring you up to date. We're back on the road and we're live. So we'll catch you up shortly. I'll fuck the video up by talking about his sticky feet.
Nobody will ever see this. But Jeremy's huge.
I'm huge. Let me explain to you what Jeff got for dinner. He ordered an order of chicken and dumplings. Hold the chicken, because that was the only part that was healthy at all. Double mac and cheese and an extra side of dumplings. Hold the chicken.
And a biscuit.
And a biscuit. And when she asked what he wanted for dessert, he said, "Can I have more dumplings?"
Turn right onto Klingen Ridge Drive Northwest. Then
True
turn
story.
left onto West Side Drive Northwest.
Me? I had grilled chicken.
Oh, you liar. And he's eating this mega load, king size fat.
I'm gonna give you a mega load here in a minute.
Yeah.
Where am I going?
You're going to hell.
Well, you're going with me. I hope they have air conditioners there.
At the stop sign, turn left onto West Side Drive Northwest. Then turn
We'll come back with a real update in a minute. All right, so, oh God, that's pointing the wrong way. So we're back on the road. We just hit 75 outside Chattanooga. After our blowout, we found a Tractor Supply, but as we were afraid, my wheel is a different lug pattern than we could find. So we got a tire and some starting fluid and some tools.
Wait. Tell them how much just the tire was.
Yeah, paid $114 for the tire.
For a damn trailer tire.
But I got one last week for $65 at home. So
And it didn't come with the wheel.
And I got a radio at home. This is a bi-supply. So anyway, got the receipt saved for that. Hopefully we don't need it. If we do need it, we're gonna have some really good video because it's probably gonna involve Nick blowing his face off.
We're hoping the hotel takes tires for payment.
Yeah, so my car's gonna start bouncing pretty soon. So we pulled into Cracker Barrel and got huge, and now we're headed on down the road. I'm in the passenger seat. Jeremy's driving.
Yeah, let me just tell you what he got for dinner.
We already got that on the video. We're not going to talk about that. We ain't going to talk about that right now. Anyway, we're headed to Bowling Green, hopefully uninterrupted. We're going to be there at 11:40. 11:40 local time. We're going to be at the track at 7 o'clock local time in the morning. So it's turning into a fun trip. Hopefully it's uneventful from here on out. Okay, check back in a little bit.
Somewhere in Nashville. Cashville. What are you doing?
Videoing the racers.
You're vidging?
Vidging.
I'm waiting for them. I don't know if it's them or not. They're weaving in and out.
I'll miss our exit in a mile. So we got to exit off here in a mile.
Where are we exiting?
5280.
Oh, I thought they just said stay in the left.
Well, I think we do just stay in this lane, honestly. There she is, ladies and gentlemen, downtown Nashville. Coming up on your left. Ain't she pretty at that?
She's pretty.
Jeremy's at the wheel and about to sleep.
No, I'm awake now. I was asleep and you had to wake me up.
Yeah, but it's pretty good potential street racing action though. There's been all kinds of cars staged on the side of the road through here, so we're threatening to unload the car and get them a little dosed.
I thought about it.
Nah, we didn't think about it. We're tired. We just want to go to Bowling Green. this house right here, 211, quarter mile. You get over one more. In case that truck decides he wants to come over.
Oops. Just to let you know, it started going over before I really wanted it to.
Gonna head right through here.
Right John's way.
Stronger.
We're going up here to Church Bluefields. Oh, Johnny Cash's Kitchen and Saloon.
Damn right. Man in Black. Oh God. Here on your left, you're going to see Tennessee Titans Stadium.
Hey, roll down your window here, buddy. Back in.
There she is. Alright guys, Jeremy put his fruit and yogurt cookie parfait down long enough the video is here.
No light, so you can't see it.
That's what it is.
But anyways, it's right now 12:50, where most of you...
No, 12:50 East Coast time. It's 11:50 wherever we're at time.
Okay, let me go back to what I was saying before this asshole interrupted me.
Beep.
It's 12:50, where most of y'all are located who will be watching this.
What about our one fan in Argentina?
Well, there is that one Argentinian. I'll take that back. Argentinian?
We're sorry. We just lost a subscriber.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. Okay, and we're back. We're right now at the Kentucky state line. It's 11:50. It's 11:50 Kentucky time, 12:50 Franklin time.
8 to 8 time, baby.
Don't know what time it is wherever you're watching this video, but maybe you can let us know. Hit the comments down below. All three of them.
No, that was fine. Anyway, we're almost to Kentucky. We're tired. We have to be at the track at 7:30 local time. And we had to get up and eat breakfast because we're hungry already. So, yeah, there's that.
I just ate a parfait.
I feel like we're delusional right now. I'm not even sure why I'm driving again. Why Nick's not driving. I guess he changed our tire earlier, so give him that.
Tell Jeff he needs to speak up so you can hear him.
If you draw the damn window up.
If you would wash your feet, I would.
Oh, okay. Why didn't y'all make a video for Bowling Green? Because we got 97 footages of stuff we couldn't use.
No, we can use that just fine. Why?
Because it's not nice.
It's, well, sometimes the truth hurts. We discussed this earlier, Jeff. Was it nice?
Do you have anything to add before we turn this off?
Do I now?
Never mind.
Never mind.
Never mind.
They can't hear you. I have to put it down for sticky feet.
828 Flunkies, signing off.
Remember about 4 years ago when we got that really good snow?
He speaks.
You're a bitch.
What was that? Great. Another worthless clip. Well, it is 20 minutes after 12. We're here. We're unloading our stuff. Fixing to go in the room. Get to sleep. We gotta get up. Be at the track by like 7:30. So, we're going to bed. Get ready for some racing tomorrow. And we'll see y'all tomorrow. Look at Jeffy, he's got his little pillows with him. Nick, I think all he brought was his dip. I don't think he brought nothing else.